95% of the investor updates mentioned this in some way or another. And it is a difficulty in customer acquisition, getting those customers into the pipeline, and then closing those deals, but then also holding on to those deals, all of those kinds of things. So like 95% of companies sort of feel this issue. And a lot of times it's an assumption that the innovation itself is going to be a draw. So we read that in these investor updates. We hear, hey, our innovation is novel and it does X, Y, and Z better than whatever big gorilla is in the room that we're challenging. And so therefore, people are going to have to get this because we get it. And what we found was, well, I'll read you one of the quotes from a seed stage founder, which is, we onboarded a total of 7 teams with a total of 58 people. 3 of those are from our personal network. We need more intros from our investors. Can you help? So like there's this sort of issue in like the companies that are coming in, like are coming in through this very small network, and there isn't this sort of broader awareness of what's happening and the fact that you're different. And another one from, again, Jamie Montgomery of March Capital: early success with customers and the randomness of that success will fool you into thinking other customers are like-minded. The real test is selling to customers you don't know and don't have a warm intro to at scale. So this is something that a lot of the founders, like 95% of them that we looked into, are actually expressing.
Yeah, that's pretty important, right? How do you break beyond sort of, and that's got to be a pretty bad look, asking your VCs to fill your pipeline. Right?
Yeah,
that's got to be a big warning sign for any VC. And I do think like there's this idea of, you got to break through the noise, but it's not just enough to break through the noise. You have to break through the noise and have people take action, right? Not actually move into consideration and down that path, that journey to actually buying and staying as a customer. And that takes more than just shiny objects.